Question 10. Three regular polygons A, B, and C meet at a point. The interior angles of the polygons are in the ratio A to B to C, which is equal to 3 to 4 to 5. Show that the polygon C has twice the number of sides as polygon B. Now, let us look at polygon B and then polygon C. So polygon B here. And also we have the total ratio here. So I'm going to first take this one down here. Okay. The total ratio. So we have, if you add these ratios, we are going to have 3 added to 4, that is a 7, plus 5, this one is a 12. Now A, so I'm interested in B and C. So B is going to be, B corresponds to the one in the middle, so that would be 4 out of the 12, then times 360. Why? Because all of these ones are angles at a point. Okay, angles at a point. Now 12 goes into 36 3 times, so this will be 30. Now 30 times 4, you will get 120. 120 degrees. Then how about 3? I mean C. C is going to be 5 out of 12 times 360. Again, this one is 1, this one is 30 here. So 5 times 30, that is 150. So we shall have this as 150. Now, we know that interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 degrees into n minus 2 out of n. This one represents the sum of the interior angles, and we bring in the n minus 2. N minus 2 is about the triangles which you form. For example, if I have this as a quadrilateral, I can have those are 2. The n is 4, but the triangles are 2. Okay, then when you get, let's say, pentagon, okay, you draw the triangles from one side. These are 3. N is 5, but the triangles are 3, so it reduces by 2. Reduces by 2. So n times 2 is the number of triangles formed, and you know that each triangle sums up to 180 degrees, its interior angles. You see that? So that's why we are getting this. This is the sum of the interior angles. And then after that, we divide by n, because for a regular polygon, all angles are equal. Now let's look at polygon B. We can actually take this one, or when you open up the brackets, we can write it like this: 180 into n over n is a 1, then minus 2 over n. So when you open up, that will be 180, then minus 2 times 180, that is 360 over n. So this is actually the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay, so the interior angle plus the exterior angle always give us 180 degrees. Now for polygon B, the interior angle, we have gotten it as 120. So I will have 120 degrees, which is equivalent to 180. Remember, we are looking for the number of sides. 180, then minus 360 over n. So I can take this one this side, and then I have 360 degrees over n, which is equal to 180 minus 120. In other words, I'm getting the exterior angle here. So this is 360 degrees, which will be equivalent. This will be 60. So I will have 60 degrees, then times n, Of course, now n will be 360 divided by the 60. Of course, this one will die. And then 36 divided by 6, this one gives you a 6. Okay, then we also do the same for polygon C. Okay, for polygon C. Now, for polygon C, I'm going to remove this. Of course, for polygon C, we have got the interior angle as 150. So we just change this. Now let's check what we have. Polygon C. This one here is also 150. Then here 150. Of course, 180 minus 150, we shall get 30. So this will be 30 degrees, which is equivalent to 360, right here. Then we divide all through by 30. Now this one also cancels. 36 divided by 3, that is 12. So you can see that this 12 here is twice this one here. You see? So that means polygon C, the polygon C has twice the number of sides as polygon B. I can even write it conclusively like this. So that is that.